Hello everyone, today our topic is how to share Gmail attachment on WhatsApp. So here my objective is that whenever I receive a new email on Gmail with an attachment, then automatically I want to share this attachment on WhatsApp. So for sending a message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and for my objective, I have to build a connection between Gmail and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Gmail. In Action application, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how I can connect Gmail with WhatsApp in such a way that I share the attachments that I'm getting on mail to WhatsApp. So suppose I'm an HR and I'm receiving a lot of mails with the CVs and resume of the candidates. So here what I want to do is that whenever I get a new resume as an attachment on mail, then automatically I want to share that resume on WhatsApp. So here I will never miss any candidate's resume. And for sending this message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, which is an official cloud API platform by Meta. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Gmail and WhatsApp Cloud API. And for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create new workflow. For that, I have to click here on Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to share Gmail attachments on WhatsApp. And I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Home here, and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our Trigger first. And here I want to get all the emails that I'm getting on my Gmail account. So for that, I have to use Email Parser, which is a tool that Pabbly offers. So I'm going to select Email Parser here. And now I have to connect Email Parser with my Gmail account. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Email Parser and I'm going to forward all the emails that I'm getting on my Gmail account automatically to Pabbly Connect by the use of Email Parser. So here I have this email address. So I'm going to copy this email address. I will go to my Gmail account and here I will go to Settings and I'm going to open all settings. Now here I will go to Forwarding and POP/IMAP settings. And in this, I have this forwarding settings option. So in this, I'm going to add a forwarding address. So I'll click here on add a forwarding address. And I'm going to paste that email address that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste it here. And I will click on next. And here I have to click on proceed. And here it says a confirmation link has been sent to this email address to verify the permission. So I'm going to click on OK. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have received this response. So in this response, I will go to body text. So I'm going to open this, and in this body text, we have this confirmation link. So I'm going to copy this and I will open this link in a new tab. And now I will click on confirm and my confirmation is success. Now I will go back to my Gmail account and here I will refresh this. And here I'm going to select this option of forward a copy of incoming mail to this email address. So I'm going to select this. I will scroll down and I'm going to click on save changes. And here I have added this email address as my forwarding email. Now I'm going to forward all the emails that I'm getting on my Gmail account to Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to click on reCAPTCHA email parser response. And I will click on yes. And here it is waiting for email parser response. Now how I'm going to get this email parser response? For that, I have to send an email to my Gmail address. And in that address, I have to make sure that I have an attachment of the resume of the candidate. So for that, I am going to send an email to my address. And here we can see that I have received this new email. So I'm going to open this email. And the subject of this email is resume for video creator position. And the content of my email is, hello, I'm applying for the position of video creator. And I'm also attaching my resume in this email. And this is the resume of my candidate. So I have received this email, and in this email I have the attachment. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that I have received this new response. So this is the subject of my email, which is resume for video creator position. And this is my body text. So I'm going to open this. And here it says, hello, I'm applying for the position of video creator, and I'm also attaching my resume in the email. And in this, I have this attachment link. So in this attachment link, I have the resume. Now what I need to do is I need to send this attachment on WhatsApp. But before this, I only want to send attachment of the resumes that I'm getting on my email. For that, I have to set up filter. So for setting up the filter, I have to open this tab of Actions tab. And here I'm going to use a tool which Pabbly offers, which is called filter. So I'm going to select this. And I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and filter value will be my action event. And I'm going to connect the filter by Pabbly. So I'm going to click here on connect. And here for setting up my filters, I have this select label, filter type and value. So first I'm going to set up a basic filter that I'm getting attachment on my emails or not. For setting up that filter, what I need to do is I need to select my label. So I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to open this response of email parser. And here on my email, I have this attachment link. And if I'm getting this attachment link, that means I have an attachment in my email. So here in the filter type, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to select exist condition. So by this exist condition, whenever I have an attachment link in my email, then my filter will be true, and then only it will give a success value. Now I'm going to set up other filters too. So I'm going to add OR conditions here. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to select the label for getting the attachment for resumes only. I have to select my label. So I'm going to open this tab. First, I'm going to select the subject of my email. So I'm going to select this. And in the subject, if I'm getting the word resume, then only this filter will work. So I'm going to select my filter type. So I'm going to open this. And I'm going to select this condition of contains. And in the value, I'm going to give the value of resume. So if in my subject, I have the word resume, then only this filter will work. And I'm going to set one more filter. I'm going to add another OR condition. And here I'm going to use my body text. So I'm going to open this select label tab. I'm going to open this response of email parser. And this is my body text. So I'm going to select this. And again, I'm going to select the filter type as contains. And here my value will be again resume. So here either in my body text or in the subject, I have the word resume. Then only this condition will work. First, it is going to search for the attachment. Only this is going to work whenever I have an attachment in my email. So here I have set up my filters for the attachment and the attachment with resume. So I'm going to click on save and send as to click button. And here my condition is true, so that I have an attachment in my mail. Also, I have a resume as an attachment. So my condition is true here. Now what I need to do is I need to send this resume automatically as a message on WhatsApp. So for that, I will add another actions tab. So I'll click here on add actions tab. And for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. And I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And to connect WhatsApp Cloud API, I have to give a token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. And how I'm going to get these details. For that, I have to set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. For that, you have to open this hyperlink of learn more. And this will take you to the Pabbly forum. And in this, you will have all the information how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And also how you will get all these details that you need to connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. So I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to take you there. And here I have this access token. So I'm going to refresh this. As this is a temporary token, that's why I have refreshed this. So I'm going to copy this token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that token here. Now you need the phone number ID. So let's go back to WhatsApp Cloud API. And this is my phone number ID below my phone number. So I'm going to copy this phone number ID. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste my phone number ID. And here I have to make sure that I'm only using the phone number ID, not my phone number. Now I need the WhatsApp business account ID. I will go back to WhatsApp Cloud API and I'm going to copy this WhatsApp business account ID. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here and I will click on save. And I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the message, I need a template. And for the template, I have to go back to WhatsApp Cloud API account. And for creating a template, you have to click here on this hyperlink of click here. And this will take you to the WhatsApp manager where you will find all the message templates that you have in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And if you don't have any template, then what you need to do is you need to click here on this create template button. And after clicking here, what you need to do is you need to create your own template. And in the template, you have to customize your message that you want to send on WhatsApp. You can add your variables and you can customize your template according to you. And after customizing your template, you need to take approval from Meta. So I have already took approval for this template, which is named as resume sharing. And I'm going to show you this template. This template is for marketing. So this is my template. And in this, I'm sharing this message which says, we have received a new resume and I'm sharing that here. And I have this variable. And in this particular variable, I'm going to share the resume link, which I'm getting on Gmail. So I'm going to share that attachment link here on this variable. So this will be my template and this will be the message that I'm going to share. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have to select my template. And for selecting the template, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the templates that are connected with your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And in this, I'm using this resume sharing template. So I'm going to select this. And my language code is EN, which is for English, and it is already selected. And my template ID is already selected too. Now I need the recipient mobile number and body field 1. So in the recipient mobile number, I'm going to type my mobile number so that I can get this WhatsApp message every time I get a new resume on my email. So I'm going to type my number here. So this is my WhatsApp number and now I need a body field 1. So what body field 1 is? Body field 1 is my variable and in body field 1, I'm going to add the attachment links of the resume that I'm getting on my email. So for that, I'm going to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response of email parser. And in this response, I have this attachment link. So I'm going to map this. So this is my attachment link. So I have mapped this. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test request button. And here we have this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have sent this message and I have shared this resume automatically on WhatsApp. Now to check this, let me open WhatsApp. And here we can see that I have received this new message. So I'm going to show you this message. So I will open this. And here I have received this message which says we have received a new resume and I'm sharing that here. And in this message, I have this attachment link of the resume. I have received this message and this was the message that I had on my template. So I'm receiving this message on WhatsApp with the attachment link that I have received as email on Gmail. So here, whenever I will get an email on my Gmail account with the resume of the candidate, then automatically I will capture that email and I will send a message on my WhatsApp number with the resume link. So like this, I'm never going to miss any candidate's resume. So here my connection between Gmail and WhatsApp is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have built this connection between email parser and WhatsApp Cloud API in such a way that whenever I'm getting a new mail on Gmail, then first I'm capturing those emails and first I'm finding the attachments in my mail. And in my attachment, if I'm having any resumes, then I'm automatically sharing that resumes on WhatsApp. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was email parser and my trigger event was capture email parser. Then I have set up my actions tab and my action application was filter by Pabbly and my action event was filter values. Then in the last, I have used WhatsApp Cloud API as my action application and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.